Cambridge Primary Science. 4th grade. Activity book. Humans and Animals. Exercise 1.1 Skeletons. In this exercise, you will match the skeletons with the animals they come from. You will identify their bones and fill in a table. No fuo prerit 2. 1. Fill in the table. A. Animal. Skeleton. Bird. Rabbit. Frog. Crocodile. Y. 2. Write the names of the parts on skeleton A. W is the. X is the. Y is the. Z is the. B. W. Exercise 1.2 The human skeleton. In this exercise, you will put bones in the right places to make a human skeleton. You will label the bones. 1. Trace, or copy, the bones. 2. Cut them out and arrange them to make a skeleton. 3. 4. Stick your skeleton onto a piece of paper. Label the different bones on your skeleton using these words. Upper arm, skull, ribs, thigh bone, upper arm bone, finger bones, toe bones, hip bone, thigh bone. Exercise 1.3 Why do we need a skeleton? In this exercise, you will find information from a bar chart. Nasreen measured the length of the upper arm bone of some people in her family. She drew this bar chart to show her results. Use the bar chart to answer the questions. 36, 34, 32, 30, 28, 26, 24, 22, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10. Length of upper arm bone in cm. 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Nasreen Ahmed Mishak. Fatima. Ali. Who had the longest upper arm bone? 2. How long is the shortest upper arm bone? 3. Nasreen has 2 brothers. Their names are Ahmed and Ali. Which brother is the oldest? Explain your answer. 5. Put Nasreen and her brothers in age order. Explain your answer. Who are Nasreen's parents? B. Explain how you know this. 6. Predict the length of Meshach's father's upper arm bone. Explain your answer. Exercise 1.4 Skeletons and movement. In this exercise, you will draw a diagram to explain how your muscles work. A. B. Amira and Jesse made a model to show how muscles work. This is what their model looked like. 1. Write down the body parts for each of the labels AD. 2. A, B, C, D. What happens to part C when you pull up on part B? B. Make a drawing to show this. 3. Underline the correct words in the sentences to explain your drawing. Part B relaxes, contracts and gets shorter, longer. Part B pulls, pushes on part C and makes it drop, lift. Exercise 1.5 Drugs as medicines. In this exercise, you will think about medicines. Mark each of these statements as true. Check mark. Or false. X. Dot. Drugs are substances that make your body change in some way. B. Medicines make us better when we are sick. C. Medicines are the same as drugs. D. Medicines cannot stop us from getting illnesses. 2. Find 4 ways we take medicines in the word square. 3. Some words are written across the box and others are written down the box. I, N, J, E, N, W, E, R, H, A, S, D, A, C, B, I, E, D, B, 3 to 0, E, V, F, R, R, N, R, K, M, I, X, T, C14 Kolu, S, T, I, N, T, T, Y, N, I, O, A, F G H N I B N N I T H N T M M D E O W D E R T G O N I U U R E T P M. Choose 3 different medicines. Complete the table to say what each medicine is used for. Medicine. What the medicine is used for. Exercise 1.6 How medicines work. In this exercise, you will identify unsafe ways of taking medicines. 1. Match each word to its meaning. The first one has been done for you. Symptoms. Fever. Cure. Very small living things that make us sick. When a doctor says what medicine a sick person must have. Signs of an illness. Germs. A very high body temperature. Prescribe. Something that make an illness go away. Youssef has a headache. He finds some tablets in the bathroom. He takes 3 tablets. Youssef has not taken this medicine safely. 2. Write down 4 things that are unsafe about the way he has taken this medicine. My mother takes these, so they must be okay. Language Review Fulham Woe. 8.1 Adarax. This exercise checks that you understand the scientific words used in this unit. Match each word to its meaning. The first one has been done for you. Skeleton. Bones. Skull. Ribs. Vertebra. Hip. The bones in your chest. A bone of the spine. The part between the top of your leg and your waist. Hard, strong frame that supports our body. Front of the lower part of the leg. Hard parts that form the skeleton. The bones of the head. 2. Thigh. Shin. The top part of the leg. Write 1 word for each of the underlined parts in these sentences. When we are ill, we take drugs that make our bodies better. They can also stop us from getting ill. Sometimes we take these drugs as dry substances made of very small grains. If we are very ill in hospital, we may need a piece of equipment that put medicines directly into our blood.